Alright guys, so the plan today is to work on the Aristo a little bit, but as you can see it is raining, so I'm going to wait a little bit and see if the rain lets up at all. If not, I'm just going to send it. As you can see, the Miata is still sitting here, still waiting on the bags. I actually swapped these clear side markers in last night. But yeah, I'm still waiting on those, and as you can see I have the trunk off. I got all the arrows sent to the body guy, and usually I'd send like the gas cap or something as a reference just to spray and get it perfect, but that won't work, so the trunk was the next smallest option, and I wasn't really too concerned about that because I still need to build the trunk setup, and that just gives me a little more room. But yeah, I got some parts in for the Aristo. I actually got some super rare seats, and I drove like 5 hours last night to get them, so let's check them out. Alright guys, here they are. So, if you don't know what these seats are, these are the Recaro SR3, otherwise known as the Recaro confetti seats. And these actually came out of an old, I believe it's an ST05 Celica from Japan. And they have the confetti pattern all over them. And like I said, these things are super rare, and honestly, I don't think I've ever seen a set in as good a condition as these. There's literally no holes in them, no flaws whatsoever. So I was definitely fortunate to pick these up. I think they're going to be great in the Aristo. And honestly, I haven't even sat in these things yet. So I guess we're going to see how they feel right now. Not too bad. Definitely feels like a OEM seat. It's got the nice bolsters on the side, but yeah, these things definitely hug you. Pretty stoked. But yeah, we got one more thing that I want to throw in the Aristo before I test fit these, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm taking the coil pack cover off here because I got a new one. Now eventually I'd like to maybe get this one painted or something, but for now we're going to swap it out. And this one is carbon fiber. I actually got this on eBay for like 150 bucks, I believe. And it has the exact same lettering as the OEM one, so it should look pretty good. Eventually the plans for this engine really are to black a lot of things out as far as like the intercooler piping and all that. I do want to eventually redo the strut bar as well and maybe polish the center part, but I'm going to try to get this on here now, see how it looks. Well guys, this thing is complete garbage. I don't know if they sent me the wrong one for the VVTi or what, but I specifically ordered this one to fit this car, and it just does not fit no matter what I do. I even tried cutting this out because it actually broke right there. It was so tight, but that's a bummer. So I guess we're just gonna get rid of this thing. Thanks, eBay. Well, that was annoying, but I guess that's what you get for ordering stuff off eBay. You win some, you lose some, but I'm gonna try to get these seats in the car now just to test fit them. I don't actually have the brackets, so I can't actually mount them in the car today, but I still want to see what they're gonna look like. All right guys, got this one in here. I'm probably just gonna throw the one in today because I'm soaked right now, but check it out. Looks pretty good. Definitely goes well with the interior. I like how it matches the steering wheel. Guess we can check it out from this side real quick. Just sitting on a box right now, but get the idea. Hell yeah, I'm stoked with that. Well, there's not much else I can do today, so I guess I'm gonna end this video here. Definitely happy with the way that that's gonna look in there, but I'm getting drenched. So anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.